Hi. I really liked your poster. I'm trying to look at it here. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Um, First of all, it looks really professional. It looks really good, like something that you actually would see in like a doctor's office or I don't know, a university or anywhere where you see this kind of stuff happening. Um, Your banner here is really cool. Definitely shows that diversity. And then right under it says stop sizeism. And then fat phobia exists everywhere. Um, you really did a nice job of showing some just basic statistics here right under that. Um, I didn't know some of this, so it's really interesting. I knew 1.65 times higher chance for patients with obesity being undiagnosed than others. I think that's interesting because you hear about people all the time that are overweight. They go to the doctor and, they know something's seriously wrong with them, but their doctor says, oh, you just need to lose weight and you'll be better. And sometimes they have some actually really serious problems going on that the doctors need to look past that obesity or that overweight. I also thought that it was interesting that you showed down here at the bottom uh, that evidence shows that BMI categorized overweight population has the highest longevity. I'm assuming that means like longest life. Is that, I don't know if that's what you're talking about. If it is, that's kind of interesting. Um, I'm actually only 4 foot 11 inches tall, so um, I get categorized in the morbidly obese category because I'm so short, and I'm definitely not thin by any means, but I'm also not morbidly obese. So I think the BMI is kind of a load of crap personally. So I think it's really interesting that you did a poster on this. So I really appreciate it. Good job. Thank you.